the forest, a curious soul embarks on a magical discovery, drawn to a trail of shimmering light. A majestic creature entwined in nature's grasp meets the gaze of a kindred spirit, seeking salvation in a sea of thorns. Secrets shared on gentle whispers weave tales of friendship and bravery, beckoning the young soul to step into the unknown. In a fleeting moment of trust, two hearts converge, bound by an unbreakable promise of companionship and shared destiny. Through meadows of dreams and forests of wonder, two souls dance in harmony, their laughter a symphony of newfound friendship. Shadows of doubt creep in, challenging the steadfast resolve of newfound companions as they brave the unknown together. Hearts entwined, two souls stand as one against the encroaching darkness, their resolve unyielding in the